In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Firefox when it does not open in Windows using a quick and easy method that can fix common browser problems fast. This is especially useful if Firefox is crashing, freezing, not loading properly, or simply refusing to open at all. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to launch Firefox in safe mode and refresh it so you can get back to browsing again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is locate the Firefox icon on your desktop, taskbar, or in your Start menu. Before you click it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep holding Shift, and while doing that, click the Firefox icon. This is important because it forces Firefox to open with special recovery options instead of launching normally. After a moment, Firefox should prompt you to choose a profile. If you see the profile selection window, choose the profile you want to repair and continue. In many cases, this is the step that gets you into the recovery process when Firefox is not opening the usual way. Next, wait for the Safe Mode window to appear. This window is designed to help you troubleshoot Firefox without normal extensions, settings, or problematic customizations getting in the way. Once the Safe Mode window is open, look for the option that says Refresh Firefox. Click Refresh Firefox to begin the reset process. Firefox will now restore the browser to a cleaner state, which can help resolve issues caused by bad settings, extensions, or corrupted data. After the refresh is complete, Firefox may restart automatically. When it opens again, check to make sure the browser is working properly. You may notice that some custom settings, add-ons, or tweaks have been removed, but your important browser data is often preserved as much as possible. This is why refreshing Firefox is such a useful first step when the browser won't open in Windows. It gives you a fresh start without needing to fully reinstall everything manually. If Firefox still gives you trouble after the refresh, you may need to check for Windows updates, disable conflicting software, or reinstall the browser. But for most users, this refresh method solves the issue quickly. So to recap, hold Shift, click Firefox, select your profile if prompted, and then in the Safe Mode window, choose Refresh Firefox. That's the fastest way to reset Firefox when it does not open in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.